with it. Okay, here's your hat. You're not gonna play? Okay. I know you know.
Donnie likes to try. Donnie hasn't taught him how to burp well.
It's a fizzy lifting drink.
Lindsay, do you want to try and do the example? Would you like to show them?
No,
what you
I'm not gonna do it.
Please do it.
No, I'm too old anymore. I say you can do it. It's good.
Oh, Alex, you want to lean in it? Get up here.
Oh no, this is funny.
Here's video.
This is awesome.
Alex is going to play too. Don't do it. We're going to do them one at a time so everyone can hear. And then we may have more of a verbal. Where did you find those solo exercises? There's anything that's right because I took them. But they're perfect because they're yeah, you gotta focus. Practicing. All right, now wait a minute, we're gonna do one at a time.
You know we
so
can rip it
everybody
out right
can
now if
hear,
we
right?
wanted to.
What's
I
that?
said, you know we can rip them out right now.
Oh, yeah.
The worst is when you gotta do it and
I
some
don't know if
food
everybody
comes
knows
out.
who Alex is.
Yeah, that'd be
She's
about
our
right.
newest black belt at the karate school.
Oh, congratulations.
She is a lifeguard, and her first day she was lifeguarding, she actually saved a man. A week to the day. And Asher loves to watch her do karate and be a lifeguard.
Asher just loves her.
He loves her.
Asher
Okay, so now,
loves her.
who wants to go first? Okay, Braxton, then Josie,
Dada.
then Paige, then
Sage.
Asher, then Alex. Okay, so, quiet.
No, you do.
Shh, quiet. Don't do it yet.
Let's do it first.
Yes, Braxton. You don't have to drink it all.
Yeah,
All right, Jojo, your turn. You don't have to drink it all unless you want to.
You may have to, just get the bubbles enough to burp.
Yeah, burp? You burp?
Drink more if you gotta.
good. It counts if it comes out the backside too.
Oh my God. Burp, Josie. Burp real loud.
Oh, she burped.
Yeah, she got it out good.
All right, Sage, let's hear Sage.
This is awesome. Oh! I can't believe Mamaw hasn't taught you the
She
skill.
needs a little more ginger.
Oh God, this is great.
You swallow air. It's easy.
Yeah.
Donnie taught
You have
me.
your moment.
It's easy.
She usually doesn't bark very loud anyway.
Our German Shepherd burps.
Do you want to get a kick out of this?
No. Big old thing.
You know how to.
Okay, we're almost there. Listen. That's okay.
That's okay.
All right. Asher, it's your turn.
Let's see if he can do it. Go ahead.
I like she tried to make it come out the back.
No,
It's like a little baby.
Let's see how loud he can be. Dude, really awesome. He's slowly sipping.
You're really nursing that, buddy.
15-ounce boat. We ain't got to swallow air with it. Asher, are you good?
He don't like it in there.
You need more?
You get in college, you're gonna have to go faster than that.
Need more?
Oh, no.
Let's see.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I think Braxton's got it so far.
Yeah.
All
All right.
But now we got Alex.
Oh my gosh.
Round two, sit down.
Pound for pound, let's see.
Please don't tell anybody in class about this. Especially not Tyner.
Let's see what you got.
Let's see.
Do it for Mr. Miyagi.
Look for Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so
I think Braxton.
do we need Braxton or Alex? Who do we think? Braxton. Okay, then that Braxton's number 1. Who was number 2?
Braxton, come on. Don't let me hang it.
Asher. Was Asher number 2 or Alex?
Josie was good. We can do instant replay.
Do we want to do a playoff between,
Josie was better. Oh, yeah, you can win.
just a second. All right, so we're going to do a very.
Yeah, like that.
I missed it.
That was Sage.
All right.
That was kind of guttural.
Are we doing another burp off or are we going with it?
I think that's fine.
That's good. All right.
It was me.
Braxton got number 1.
Josie 2, Ashley 3.
Yeah. And then we'll, Alex, you get a consolation. Okay, Braxton, you get to pick in here.
Oh, I haven't.
All right.
Those are